Hello friends! Welcome to my presentation on how to bathe and dress infants and toddlers. Let's begin! In bathing and dressing infants and toddlers, there are a few steps that you must do. Control the temperature of the environment. Shut the doors and windows closed. Turn off the air conditioner and electric fans. Turn on a heater if available to keep the room warm. Perform proper hand hygiene. Gather all the bathing materials. Make sure that they are placed right where they should be and everything is within your reach. Once the baby is placed in the bathing area, there should not be any moment during the bath time that you turn your back or walk away even for a second. All attention on the baby. Have comforters ready for the baby where you can place him after the bath. The best time to bathe the baby is in the morning between 9 to 10 a.m., ideally in a kitchen countertop where there is plenty of space. Check the baby's vital signs to see if they are normal. If anything is alarming, make sure to inform the parent or the medical staff immediately. Check the water quantity and temperature. It should be around 29.4 degrees Celsius. Perform proper hand hygiene. Carry the baby from the crib using both hands. Once the baby is placed in the bathing area, make sure he will not be left unattended. Prepare to undress the baby. Work on the lower extremities first. Remove the clothing and put on the laundry bin. Prepare to remove the diaper. Unfasten the diaper. If the diaper is soiled, wipe the area using the clean part of the diaper, which is the top portion. Wipe from the front to the back and tuck the diaper underneath the buttocks. Assess the genital area for irritations or redness. If none, proceed to perform the perineal care. If the baby is a girl, clean the genital area using a cotton ball. Dip the cotton ball and squeeze out the excess water. Wipe the side of the genital, including the labia and inguinal area, down to the anus. Work from top to bottom. Discard the used cotton ball in the trash bin. Repeat the process until thoroughly cleaned. Do the same process on the other side. Clean the middle part of the genital area. Dip the cotton ball and squeeze out the excess water. Wipe from top to bottom down to the anus. Repeat until thoroughly cleaned. If the baby is a boy, clean the genital area using a cotton ball. Dip the cotton ball and squeeze out the excess water. Wipe the side of the scrotum, including the inguinal area, down to the anus. Work from top to bottom. Discard the used cotton ball in the trash bin. Repeat until thoroughly cleaned. Do the same procedure on the other side. Clean the penis. Dip the cotton ball and squeeze out the excess water onto the penis. Wipe the shaft of the penis down to the anus. Work from top to bottom. Discard the used cotton ball in the trash bin. Repeat until thoroughly cleaned. Clean the scrotum. Dip the cotton bud into the warm water. Wipe the scrotum in horizontal motion according to its folds and creases. Discard the used cotton bud in the trash bin. Repeat until thoroughly cleaned. Do the same procedure on the other side. Once the genital area is cleaned, prepare to dispose the soiled diaper. Lift the baby's feet in order to pull the diaper tucked under the baby's buttocks. Fold and fasten the diaper and place in a plastic bag. Discard the diaper in the trash bin. Cover the baby to prevent chilling and perform proper hand hygiene after doing the perineal care. Prepare to obtain the body temperature from the rectum. Make sure you are using a rectal thermometer. Clean the rectal thermometer using a cotton ball with alcohol and wipe from the bulb down to the stem to the tip in a circular motion. Check the thermometer is in the right reading. Prepare to insert the rectal thermometer into the rectum. Dip the bulb of the rectal thermometer into a petroleum jelly. Remove the cover on the lower body and hold the feet of the baby with your free hand and place the baby in a semi-side lying position. Gently insert the thermometer 0.5 of an inch. After 2 minutes, gently remove the thermometer from the rectum and clean with a dry cotton ball. Wipe from the tip to the stem to the bulb. Read the temperature and return the thermometer to its container. Wipe the excess petroleum jelly from the baby's buttocks and rectal area using a soft tissue and cover the baby to prevent chilling. Undress the upper body of the baby by widening the armhole and widening the neck hole while removing the shirt. Provide support to the head of the baby. Cover the baby to prevent chilling and put the used clothing in the laundry bin. Prepare to clean the face of the baby. With the basin already prepared, check the temperature using a bath thermometer, your elbow, or the back of your wrist. Temperature should be around 29.4 degrees Celsius. Proceed to clean the eyes using a cotton ball. Dip the cotton ball into the warm water and squeeze out the excess water. Wipe the eye from upper inner to upper outer canthus, then lower inner to lower outer canthus. Discard the used cotton ball in the trash bin. Repeat until thoroughly cleaned. Do the same procedure on the other eye. Proceed to clean the nose using a cotton ball. Dip the cotton ball into the warm water and squeeze out the excess water. Wipe the nose bridge, including the sides. Discard the used cotton ball in the trash bin. Repeat until thoroughly cleaned. Proceed to clean the outer part of the nostrils using a cotton bud. Dip the cotton bud into the warm water and clean the outer part of the nostrils. Discard the used cotton bud in the trash bin. Repeat until thoroughly cleaned. No need to clean the inner part because it is self-cleaning. Proceed to clean the lips using a cotton ball. Dip the cotton ball in the warm water and squeeze out the excess water. Wipe the upper lip and use a new cotton ball to wipe the lower lip. Discard the used cotton ball in the trash bin. Repeat until thoroughly clean. Proceed to clean the outer part of the ears using a cotton ball. Dip the cotton ball into the warm water and clean the outer part of the ear. Discard the used cotton ball in the trash bin. Repeat until thoroughly cleaned. Do the same procedure on the other ear. Proceed to clean behind the ears using a cotton bud. Dip the cotton bud into the warm water and clean behind the ear. Discard the used cotton bud in the trash bin. Repeat until thoroughly cleaned. Do the same procedure on the other ear. Prepare to clean the forehead, cheeks, and neck. Get a washcloth or towelette, soak and wring, and do the hand mitten fold technique. Wipe from the forehead, down to the cheek, down to the neck. Do the same procedure on the other side. Get a new washcloth and gently tap dry the baby skin. Prepare to shampoo the baby's head. Assess the head and scalp for irritations or redness. Put the baby on a football hold position. Ensure the head is supported by your hand. Fold back the blanket to expose the baby's head. Use your fingers to pin the baby's ears to prevent water from getting inside the ears. Fold a new washcloth and gently place on the baby's eyes to serve as a blindfold. Check that the blindfold does not cover the ears. Position the baby over the basin with warm water. The position of the head must be lower than the rest of the body. Wet the head of the baby, including the occiput or the back of the head or skull. Get an ample amount of shampoo and gently massage the shampoo on the scalp using your fingertips. Prepare to rinse the baby's head. On the other basin, rinse the head of the baby carefully. Prepare to dry the head of the baby. Remove the blindfold and use it to dry the head. Place the baby on the surface and cover the head to prevent chilling. Prepare to wet the body of the baby. Remove the cover of the body. Get a washcloth, soak and wring, do the hand mitten fold and clean the neck area, medial to lateral, move to the chest area, medial to lateral, move to the abdomen, medial to lateral. Now the upper extremities, the axilla, the arms, into the hands, and interdigits of the fingers. Now the lower extremities. Pay attention to the creases and fatty folds of the legs, the feet, and interdigits of the toes. Now the back. Turn the baby on a side-lying position and wipe the back, including the buttocks area. Prepare to soap the baby. Get an ample amount of baby wash and lather into your palm. Soaping in a circular motion promotes closeness between the baby and the caregiver through massage therapy. From the neck, from medial to lateral, move to the chest area, medial to lateral, move to the abdomen, medial to lateral. Now the upper extremities, the axilla, the arms, into the hands, and interdigits of the fingers. Get an ample amount of baby wash again and lather into your palm. Soap the lower extremities. Pay attention to the creases and fatty folds of the legs, the feet, and the interdigits of the toes. Get an ample amount of baby wash again and lather into your palm. Turn the baby on a side-lying position. Soap the back, including the buttocks area. Prepare to rinse the baby. Lift the baby from the surface using a cradle hold and position on the bathtub. Place the baby in a semi-sitting position with the back and head resting on your forearm and your hand on the buttocks area. Check that the head of the baby is above the water level to prevent drowning. Check that the head of the baby will not bump any of the sides of the bathtub. Rinse the baby's skin to remove the soap. Turn the baby towards you in order to rinse the back, including the buttocks area. Prepare to dry the baby. After rinsing the baby, place the baby on a new blanket and cover to prevent chilling. Gently pat dry the skin. Prepare to dress the baby. Put on the clothes of the baby on the upper extremities by widening the neck hole and widening the armhole. Prepare to put on the diaper. Position the clean diaper under the buttocks of the baby by holding and lifting the feet of the baby. Apply petroleum jelly or diaper cream only as per the instruction from the parent or medical staff. Check that the diaper is snug-fitting, not too tight and not too loose. Fasten the diaper securely. Put on the clothes of the baby on the lower extremities. Put the legs through the holes 1 foot at a time. Groom the hair using baby comb or brush. Check the fingernails and clip if necessary. Apply baby powder, lotion, or cologne only as per instruction from the parent or medical staff. It is suggested to maintain the neutral smell of the baby. Lift the baby using 2 hands and with proper support to the neck, head, and back. Move the baby to the crib. Do aftercare and perform proper hand hygiene. Thank you for watching and happy bathing!